My name is Martin Folgate.
My name is Lily Folgate.
And welcome to our miniature farm.
Hello guys, welcome to our farm tour today. This is our garden area right here. We've got 6 planter boxes and 1 in-ground plot for all our in-ground vegetables. This makes it really simple and easy for us to go out into the garden and get our food. And over here we have our chicken coop. This chicken coop is built especially right here so that we can go into the chicken pen. And there's a compost pile right outside of it so that we can put all the shavings into the compost. In here we have our roll-away egg mechanism, which rolls the eggs down so that the chickens don't peck them. These are their perches where they can sleep at night. That's our compost pile right there that has their extra shavings in it to reduce back into our garden. Here is our chickens' watering system. And over here is an easy entrance into their pen. We have our chickens free range because it makes them happy and healthy, and they get to get worms out in the day and we give them a little food at night. Over here is a separate pen for our brooders and our chicks. These are Kauai chicks that we brought the eggs from Kauai back here and we shipped them from feral chickens and we hatched them, and this is what they produced. They're like a weird, crazy bantam breed, but they are adorable. And in here right now we currently have a chicken brooding, sitting on some eggs. She's being such a good mama, about to hatch her little chicks. We have their food and water right at the edge so it's easy to refill. In there's our sheep coop, and we've got another easy open pen so it's easy to get to where we need to. And here are our lovely sheep, Apollo and Trojan. We've got a nice big pen that we exercise them in, and they love it. Over here we have another easy access gate that lets us go where we need to. And here's another gate to the garden that we've already shown you. And this is just so that we can get materials in and out. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great day.
Sheepers, weepers, sheepers, sheeper weepers, sheeper, sheeper deeper deepers.